waqeqeshwa nozinti pasa zinhle wayifaka kakuhle la bhola uNkosi Mphile Ngcobo wafaka kakuhle Lilepo wafika wacinga wagqiba phezukwayo akayikholelwa naye le into ebevuthu engaphansi kwesithandathu esele kuphela isiqingatha sokuqala nansi Kaizer Chiefs ibuya nansi Chiefs icaka ibhola ehlaba kakuhle le bhola ba onside bayipasa babhaqiwe be offside Pule Moti uyo be offside Ashley to pile off Miguel ball through the middle to Solomons, who is propped up as a midfielder now. Solomons, he's going to go for it. The parry to Lilepo! What a strike! What a goal! Chiefs are right back in the contest. It's been some time, but Lilepo is back on the score sheet. A thumping blow by the Congolese. Made by a won the lot. Look at the right back there. Swerve on the strike. And then from a tight angle. Man, what a finish. Great technique from Solomons on that strike. We are all level. It's game on at the FNB Stadium. And the Calabash is well and truly alive. Look at Cedric Kazi. Look at the passion. They won Continental Foot Second Division. Here they are. Within touching distance of the CAF Confederation Cup events, but Chiefs are all over them now. Lilepo looking for options. And they can't believe how they haven't scored the second. Afuna udlala ezabhola zinde ansi ibhola ibekwa phambili Kaizer Chiefs ilumkele ngase ngozini le nansi Kabuscope yabetha lo bhola yabetheke emadodeni corner kick Sandro akhonyaza amadoda amabini eKaizer Chiefs ipha ngasemva Inacio noZitha Kwinika wasindiswa nenqina lakhe belikhuphile uZitha Kwinika ebexhathise ngalo yabetha kulo la bhola. So all in all, Chiefs do have a pretty good record against